Hello students, today this is lecture number 3 based on PYQs, motion in a straight line. So here is a question. So an object moving with a speed of 6.25 meter per second decelerated. This is what? It's a decelerated. So here we can say it's a decelerated case. This is deceleration. Deceleration means what? Negative acceleration. Yes. So if the rate is given, decelerated means it should be what? Minus. This is minus. Some little printing mistake. Okay. The time taken by the object to come to rest. So what is the initial velocity? Initial velocity means what? V1. V1 must be is equals to 6.25 meter per second. Okay. And V2 must be finally coming to the rest. V2 is equals to what? 0. And dV by dt is equals to minus 2.5 root V. Okay. So then what is the time taken is asking. Okay. Time taken. Now first one. From this I am moving to this. First one, what is given? dV by dt is equals to dV by dt is equals to minus 2.5 root V. Okay. Go for proper integration. Integration is what? This dV by root V is equals to minus 2.5 dt. Right. So taking integration on both sides. Yes. So what are the limits from this? This is from V to 0. Okay. This is from 0 to t initially, right? Now integration of dv, integration over, so root v, v to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, it's a dv, limits from where? V to 0 is equals to minus 2.5 integration over dt, limits from where? 0 to t. Yes. So 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means what? So 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. So v to the power of 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. So this v2 what? 0 is equals to minus 2.5. So it's a t, limits from where? 0 to t. Yes, we can write it. Yeah. So it becomes as by 1 by 2 means it's a 2. This is 2 root v. 2 root v. Okay. Limits from where? It's a v to 0. So is equals to minus 2.5 integration over t. It's what? Upper limit is t minus 0. Okay. 2 like it's a 0 minus root v. So is equals to minus 2.5 t. So minus 2 root v is equals to minus 2.5 t. Yes. So minus cancel. 2. What is the root v? V is given as this. What is given? 6.25. 6.25 is equals to minus, got it now? So it's a 2.5 t. So 2 into 6.25, 25 means what? 2.5, correct now? 2.5 is equals to 2.5 t. So this cancel, then t is equals to how many seconds? 2 seconds. T is equals to 2 seconds. Option A is correct. A car starting from rest, initial velocity is what? 0. Accelerates at the through f, means what? A is equals to f, acceleration. So starting, its initial velocity is what? U is equals to 0. Through a distance s, the distance is what? S. So up to here one part I am making this. First one, this is what? Let it be A. Car is started from rest. So what is this? Initial velocity U is equals to 0. Acceleration is equals to what? F. Okay. And next one, it travels a distance is what? S. This is what? Distance S. Okay. Next one. Then continues with a constant speed. Whatever it acquires a speed, continues with a constant speed. This is A, it's a B, it's a C. So the speed is what? Constant. Speed is constant means what? Acceleration is equals to 0. Okay. then deaccelerates with a speed. Deaccelerate means what? Negative acceleration. A is equals to what you say? Minus f by 2 to come to rest. Its final velocity v is equals to 0. Okay, so come to rest, and that what is the total distance is given? It's a 15s. Total distance from here to here, it's a 15s. Here is the question. Yes, so first one, you take about this is what s is equals to, from the first part a b c, next one is what? It's a d. My difficulty starts from here. This is s. I need to find this distance also. So what is this distance? Let it be, it's what? S1. Already I know this s. Okay, total is what? 15s. Okay, so from first one ab part I am taking this from the ab. Okay, so this, let it be, it's I'm taking as v. Yes, so s is equals to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half a t square. S is what? This. U is what? 0 plus half a f t square. S is equals to half f t square is my first relation. Yes, so this is for AB. Next one is for, so I'm taking about v square minus u square is equals to what? 2as. So v square minus 0 is equals to 2. A is what? It's a f and s. V square is equals to 2fs. V is equals to under root of 2fs. This is velocity acquired. This is under root of 2fs. Constant velocity, here also v is equals to under root of 2fs. Okay, so next we are moving to this. Yeah, next one is what? For this part, which is this CD. Okay, for the CD final velocity v is 0. Initial velocity for this one is 2fs. Use this v square minus u square is equals to 2as. 0 minus, so v square means what? Under root of 2fs whole square means what? 2fs is equals to 2. Okay, it's what? A is minus f by 2 into s1, right? So minus minus cancel and 2 to cancel. Okay, 2fs is equals to f into s1. Ff cancel. S1 is equals to, you have 2s. Yes, so now this is what? It's a 2s. It's a 2s. Okay ma, this is s, this is 2s. What must be bc? bc is what? It's a 2s and s 3s. 15 minus 3s is what? It's a 12s. That is the, so from what is the length from b to c? Yes, so next one I'm talking on this. Here this is v. Okay, velocity, here also here is a velocity, so I'm using as this. S is equals to ut plus half a t square. Ut plus half a t square. Yes, what is this? It's a acceleration 0. S is what? 12s is equals to, so u means what? Under root of 2fs into, it's a time taken is what? It's a t. Yes, mentioned this time is what? It's a t. Yes, so 12s is equals to, so 12s whole square is equals to, so 2fs t square. It's a t square. Okay, so 144 s square is equals to 2fs t square. Okay, so s and s cancel. 2 ones, 2 ones, 2 sevens are 14. So 2 twos are, it's a 72. 72 s is equals to f t square. Okay, 72 s is equals to f t square. S is equals to what you write? F t square by 72 is the answer. So S is equals to f t square by 72. Option D is correct. A particle is moving eastward. Eastward means it's a I cap. Okay, and with a velocity 5 meter per second, and 10 seconds velocity changes to 5 meter per second in northwards. Northwards means what is it? It's a north. Okay, j cap. It's a 5 j cap. Okay, the average acceleration of in this time okay, is what? It's a 2005 question. Carefully on this. First one, I need to know what the given conditions. First one, velocity v1. v1 is equals to, it's a eastward. Directions are, you know already this one. It's a, so north, south, north and south, east, west. Okay. It's a I cap minus I cap. It's a j cap minus j cap. Okay. So v1 is equals to, v1 is equals to 5. Okay. So with what? I cap eastwards. v2 is equals to v1 bar, v2 bar. v2 bar is equals to 5. It's a j cap. Okay. So what is the acceleration? In the time interval delta t is given is what? It's a, how many seconds has mentioned? It's a 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Now, what is the average acceleration? A is equals to delta v bar by what? Delta t. A is equals to v2 bar minus v1 bar, okay, by delta t. v2 bar is given, so it's what? 5 j cap minus 5 I cap by what? It's a delta t. Okay, delta t is given, it's a, so 10. So this, from these we can say the direction. J cap is what? North. J cap is north. Minus I cap is what? Minus I cap west. Northwest direction. So from northwest direction we can choose, this is the answer. But I am completing this one. So it's what? A is equals, A bar is equals to, so 5 times of j cap minus I cap. Delta t is what? It's a 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So we can write it as j cap minus I cap. So by what? It's a 2. So find its magnitude. Yes, it's a 2. So root 2 by 2. This is what? 1 by root 2. So what direction? Northwest direction is the magnitude of acceleration. So the option is what? It's a C. The relation between time t and distance x is given. So here this is t is equals to a x square plus bx. Okay, a and b are constants. The acceleration is what? What is the acceleration? So for our convenient I am writing as t is equals to alpha x square plus beta x, because acceleration is asking, we may get confusion for this. Okay, so this is my required condition. From this I am taking as, so first I need to get about acceleration. First differentiate this one. What do you say? So d by dt times of, it's a t, is equals to d by dt times of alpha x square plus d by dt times of beta x. Okay, so this is d by dt of t is what? It's a 1 alpha. Okay, x square is what? It's a 2x. Differentiation of x is what? It's a dx by dt plus beta, again dx by dt. Okay, you know this from here. This is what? Dx by dt is what? Velocity. Dx by dt is velocity. So 1 is equals to alpha 2 alpha x v, 2 alpha x v plus beta v. Yes. So 1 is equals to v times of 2 alpha x plus beta. Then v is equals to what do you say? 1 by 2 alpha x plus beta is my condition. Okay, let it be, for this is the equation. This equation I am taking as a equation number 1. Now I need to go for acceleration. To find the acceleration, again differentiate. What is this? D by dt times of 1 is equals to, okay, so this is what? D by dt times of 2 alpha x v plus d by dt times of what? It's a beta v. Yes. So now differentiation of constant is what? Differentiation of constant, this is 0. Okay, so next one is dv by dt. dv by dt gives what? Acceleration. 0 is equals to 2 alpha d by dt of xv means what? uv dash plus v u dash x into dv by dt plus v into dxy dt is equals to beta. dv by dt is what? It's a acceleration. So 0 is equals to 2 alpha, okay, x a plus v into v square plus beta a. Careful on this. So 0 is equals to 2 alpha x a plus 2 alpha v square plus beta a. Yes, so 0 is equals to, so from this which is a is common, 2 alpha x plus beta plus 2 alpha v square. Okay, 2 alpha v square minus is equals to a times of what? It's a 2 alpha x plus beta. Okay, a is equals to minus 2 alpha v square by 2 alpha x plus beta. So what is this 1 by 2 alpha x beta? Is v. So this a is equals to minus 2 alpha v cube is your answer. So minus 2 av cube is the option. So option D is correct. If a body loses half of its velocity on penetrating 3 centimeter in a wooden block, so then how much will it travel or penetrate more before coming to rest? Okay, so just I'm taking as this is the wooden plank, right? So here a bullet is fired, for example. So bullet is fired, its constant velocity. So here velocity is what? Constant, right? So then what is this? If a body, so it is traveling from here to here, up to here, just to say here. Okay, so this traveled from here to here. How many centimeters? 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. So in a wooden block, and then how much will it penetrate before coming to rest? Again came to, let it be here, it came to the rest position. Yes, so rest position means what? Like v is equals to what? 0. So what is the distance? This one x I am taking this. Okay, is it accelerating or deaccelerating? Deaccelerating. Okay, finally coming to the rest. So its velocity, initial velocity is what? U. Loses half of its velocity, or loses half of means how much is left now? U by 2. So finally velocity became as what? 0. Okay, in the case 1 and case 2, both cases I am taking as. For this case 1, for the first one, careful on this. Well, for first one, what is this? V square minus u square is equals to 2as u by 2 whole square minus u square is equals to 2 minus a means what? Accelerating minus a into what? It's a 3 in centimeters. Let it be this. Okay, so answers also, options also in centimeters. So u square by 4 minus u square minus 2a into what? It's a 3. So this is 4u square minus 3u square by 4 is equals to minus 6a. Okay, is my first condition. Let it be, this is the first condition. Okay, minus minus cancel. Okay, it's what? 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So u square is equals to what you write? So 4 twos are 8a. So let it be is the first relation. So here is what? It's a first relation. Is this is what? U square is equals to 8a. Now case 2 I am taking as this. This is what? Case 2. Second case. Second case is what? From this again, v square minus u square is equals to 2as. V square is what? 0 minus u by 2 whole square is equals to 2a. S means what? It's a x. So what is a you have? What is the acceleration? Acceleration is what? Negative, no? It's what? Minus, correct? Minus, negative acceleration. So what do you have? A is equals to u square by 8. This is what? U square by 8. Now minus u square by 4 is equals to minus 2 into u square by 8 into x. Okay, so minus minus cancel, 2 ones 2 4s. Okay, 4 and 4 cancels. Okay, u square is equals to u square into x. U square cancel. X is equals to 1 centimeter. Before coming to rest, the answer is option A.